Do a quick little video. We're replacing the spoiler on this Mazda CX3. We're gonna take this back shield off. It's got a couple of clips that are kind of hard to pull off, but it sits in here. I pop it out, and then this piece, if you don't have to pull this out, this could just hang, but I pulled it out. You have to push both of these sides. Pull this piece out. I can just move this out of the way. This you're gonna squeeze and push back in. Out of here. Unplug it. Shove it through the top. And then this one was obviously broken. These come painted, so I didn't need to paint it. They ordered it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's right here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the little grommets you'll pull off right here. We take these off. Obviously these are broken, so we're just gonna pull the hardwares off. We're just gonna pull this out of the way, and then we'll put the other one off. We'll clean this area up, put the other one on, tighten them up, put it back on. So quick, easy, just in case you hit the rear and knock it off your garage.